Hi, I'm Anita from Crafts by Anita, and welcome to episode 25 of Anita's vlog. If you could be so kind to like, share, subscribe, and join the Discord, the link to that is in the description below. So, it was so hot last week, I just didn't want to do much of anything. I did, however, start getting caught up on my temperature blanket. This is so far May on the crochet one. I've got the rest of it done. I just need to put the last couple of things on the bottom of this one. But in between doing that, working on my knit one. This is as far as I got on May. So that'll be done eventually because this takes longer than the crochet blocks do. So, and I did manage to get all of what I had done. Turn it around the correct way. Where's the top? Yeah, I kept the papers on it. That way I'm not screwing it up when I attach. So this is as far as I've gotten. This is through April. As soon as May's done, it's going on here too, and then I'm going to start on June. I'm hoping to get caught up by July. Or not be at least not too far behind on July, but so far it's working up pretty good. So it'll be, I'm not sure how wide this is going to end up being. This is only 4 months. And the last month is going to have a border, the dates, and another border on it. So that ought to be fun. Running so much yarn all at once. Let me just set this aside. I'm also working on a new pattern. I started it last night and I was like, I need to go to bed. So I'm going to work on that today. I'm also waiting on a phone call in about an hour or so. Fingers crossed. Hopefully it won't be as aggravating as the phone call I got last Monday. Yeah. So I'm going to sit. I'm going to work on this and I'll see you in a little while. It is Tuesday, June 24th. We had a thunderstorm earlier. You could tell from last week's Yarn With Me episode, the thunder that came through. I don't know if the rain came through, but I'm pretty sure it probably did. So right now I am trying to free up space on my extra hard drive and moving everything to my external drive just so I can have some space left and I'm not like worried about running out anytime soon. I am going to need to eventually buy another 4 terabyte external hard drive. This one, I'm trying to think, where is it? Let me open it up. Has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years on it. Wish I was kidding. There's 8 years on it. So I'm getting down to like probably be like 700 gigs left on this external. So I need to start thinking about getting another one. And I just took a trip on Amazon and I'm like going, yeah, I didn't pay that much for this one. So I'm not going to order online. I'll just go to Walmart and check their prices and take pictures of what I need. Because I do need to buy a printer eventually. I don't know. I'd have to, because I do need one because I can't print anything because there's no ink. This printer works fine, but you can't get the damn cartridges for it anymore. It's really annoying. So, yeah, I'm just going to free up space. I'm going to give the temperature blanket a break for tonight. I got to, all of this temperature stuff. I need to work on something different for myself. And get started on that. Yeah. There's not much really else going on aside from shooting the Yarn With Me episode tonight. I do need to do another one this week so I don't have to worry about doing it on a flippin' Tuesday after my first day back at work, after my 2 days off. So that's what I'm going to be doing probably Thursday. Because Wednesday I need to get back on the temperature blankets and get those closer to being caught up than what I am. I've got, I think 9 days on this strip completed. Oh no, sorry, 10. I've got 10 on there. So this is May 1st through the 10th. And I got 21 days left to go on it. And it's taking for flipping ever. I'm gonna close that. Don't need that open right now. Oof, watching the gigs just click down on my external. I still have, I don't know how many of these left to go. I've got 3 separate transfers going that hopefully will be done soon, so I don't have to sit here and do it no more. Or stare at it. I'm just like I don't need this on my hard drive right now. And I was like, I got other things I need to be doing. Maybe I can like have maybe 5 episodes of each one, and I can only just do this once a month and not once every 2 weeks. Such a pain. Anyway, I'm just gonna kick back and do something else. It's already 8 o'clock. It's still pretty well light outside, but I had to turn my light on because it was dark and it's still cloudy outside, so there's not enough exterior light coming through my blinds. So I shall see you again tomorrow. Well, that's it for another vlog. I didn't vlog for the last 2 days. Been busy. Anyway, I'm going to start shooting next vlog after this one is uploaded and ready to go for today, which is Monday, and it's almost 2 p.m. I'm in the middle of doing my laundry. So I'm going to end this for now, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, share, subscribe, join the Discord. The link to that is in the description below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.